Hi, welcome to Visby AI. With this short session, I will show you how to set up your dashboard. It's going to be a pretty easy one. Let's go ahead and start. First, enter your website domain. Visby will scan your website. It will learn about your brand, products, and your services. Next, Visby creates your brand book. This is a profile of your business. Review it carefully. If it looks good, you can click continue. Now, Visby creates sample prompts for you. These prompts are questions that your customers might ask. They ask these questions to AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and others. You will see prompts in 3 different groups. Top of funnel questions are early questions. Middle of funnel prompts are for comparison questions. Bottom of funnel prompts are for decision questions. Review these prompts carefully. This is a really important task. Visby will track your business brand using these prompts. Think about your customers. What questions would they ask? You can edit the prompts. You can also add new prompts. Make them realistic. Make them sound natural. Better prompts will give you better results. When you're ready, click submit. Visby will test all your prompts. It will test them on all language models. Done. Your dashboard is ready. You can see your visibility score. You can see how AI tools talk about your brand. You can get tasks to improve your visibility. Ready to start? Let's set your dashboard now. Welcome to Visby AI. Today, we will be covering the competitors' future. First, click on Competitors in the left menu. This page shows how your brand compares to your competitors across every stage of the funnel. The first chart is share of voice. This shows what percentage of AI responses mention each brand. Right now, Visby is leading with 5.6%, followed by Otterly AI at 3.2%, Peak at 2.9%, and others below that. Share of voice tells you, when someone asks an AI a question in your space, whose name comes up the most. That's a metric you want to grow. Next to it is share of funnel. This breaks it down by funnel stage. Top, middle, and bottom. You can filter between them using the buttons at the top right. This is useful because a competitor might dominate awareness stage prompts but disappear at the decision stage, or the other way around. Knowing where the gaps are helps you focus. In the table below, you can see each competitor's full breakdown, their share of voice, share of funnel, and how they perform at each funnel stage. You can also add new competitors manually with the Add Competitor button. Competitor tracking in Visby is not about keywords. It's about who the AI trusts. Once you know that, you can work on building the same kind of presence. Hi. Today, we will be going over the visibility funnel. Your visibility funnel is the foundation of tracking how AI models discover and recommend your brand. Think of it as mapping the journey your potential customers take, from first learning about your industry to choosing your specific product or service. So, what is a visibility funnel? A visibility funnel represents the different stages of your customer's decision-making process, translated into prompts that people ask AI models. Visby AI tests these prompts across language models to see if and how your brand appears in these responses. The funnel has 3 main stages, and today we will be going through the funnel of Visby itself. We begin with the top of funnel, in other words, awareness. Over here we have some preset prompts listed. We have 3 top of funnel prompts listed over here. These are broad, exploratory questions from people who are just starting to learn about your industry or market. Some people who has a problem or need but doesn't yet know about specific solution or brands will ask these kind of questions. Some examples we have over here are best tools for monitoring brand mentions in AI systems. What is AI visibility tracking and why is it important? How to boost my brand presence in AI chatbots. Your goal at this stage of the funnel is to appear in responses as an authority or category leader, even if you're mentioned alongside general information. So now we move on to the middle of funnel, in other words, the interest stage. These are specific questions from people who understand their need and are exploring different type of solutions. Someone actively researching options within your category, comparing approaches, and showing clear interest will ask these kind of questions. Some examples that we have over here from the middle of funnel are: how does multi-platform monitoring work for brand visibility? What are the benefits of tracking prompt performance in AI? And Visby versus other AI visibility tools. Pretty much a comparison query. And now the final layer of the funnel, the bottom of funnel, in other words, the conversion stage. These are direct, action-oriented questions from people ready to make a decision or take some sort of action. Some people who knows what they want and is looking for a specific kind of recommendation, pricing, or detailed information to finalize their choice will be leveraging the bottom of funnel prompts. The examples we have over here are where to start with Visby for optimizing brand AI presence, how to integrate Visby with existing marketing tools, and subscribe to Visby or AI visibility for AI visibility tracking. The goal at this stage is to appear prominently with accurate, positive information that drives the final decision. So today, pretty much we covered 3 stages of the funnel. Visby has more to offer and details to offer. Feel free to check out, and thank you for listening.